hair.
Oh.
What, Brady? Come on. Come on. Fat boy. There's his hair again.
Oh my gosh.
Turn.
Oh guys.
Aww. You should see him. He's shutting his eyes. He's playing with your hair.
Oh. I can feel it.
Oh, he's falling asleep in your hair. Fat boy.
It's so soft. It's falling asleep. Don't let him go down my shirt.
No, I didn't.
He was falling asleep?
Yeah. Stay still, Bray.
Stay
Step up.
still. Stay still. There you go, Bray.
Bray! He didn't hurt you, you little dork.
That bird doesn't like
My ball, move. No, he doesn't. Like, I've tried, and he won't step up from there. You have to pick him up from there.
white one.
Just leave him alone.
That white one.
That white one will attack you.